Hello, hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, today in the daily newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, August the 26th, 2021. We have here in this daily newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus or puzzles. Today, 9. Yes, a lot of puzzles or Sudokus to solve. Extra brain exercises, yes, for you. The first one is a Sudoku with 1 star. Then we have a 2 stars Sudoku, 3 stars Sudoku, and a 4 star Sudoku. Yes, it's back again. Then we have Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix, Binary Puzzle number 1, and a Binary Puzzle number 2. Total of 9 extra puzzles or Sudokus. But the first one we will solve is a 3 stars Sudoku. And this will be a number. This will be number. Apologies again with the tripod. This will be number 3299, I believe. Yes, 3299. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. The 3 star Sudoku has 25 printed digits. Alright, let me position the camera. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 threes, 1, 2, 3, 4 fours, 1, 2, 3 nines, 2 fives, 2 twos, 1, 2, 3, 3 sevens, 1, 2, 3 sixes, 1, 2, 3, yeah. How about the 5? Also 2. Let me see with the 4s. Well, cannot do anything with the 4s. Alright, let me see. Let me scan. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5, no 5 in that box, so 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. Then. Yeah. 8 in the 3rd row, 8 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there ain't no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We see here ain't no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Yeah, need to wait. How about the number? Yeah, the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 9 in the last row. So the row between. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. here a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright. Alright. Let me see. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the middle column. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Okay. Okay, 9, 3. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. The 6 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 6, another 6 there. So no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7 in this big square. We see here 7, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in this row. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third column. 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here. I've earlier marked those 2 boxes with a 7. Now we have a 7 here. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. Alright. 5. Then. We have a pair in this big square. 4 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 goes together with the 9 as a pair, 2 and a 9. So what are the other numbers in this big square? The other numbers are the 1 and the 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. Do I have all the 7s? Let me count. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1, number 7. Alright. 1, 3, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 3, and the 8. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8. And look, we have a 3 and 8 in the second column. So no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in the second column. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 2 and a 9 are missing. We see a 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 2, 2. 5, 5. Yes, 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. 2 and a 5. 1, 9, 9, 9. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 2. Alright. Then 1 and 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in this box. So the 3 goes together with the 9 as a pair. 3 and a 9. So a digit left in this big square for the number 1. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then how about let me see. 3 and 8. Yeah, we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 8, 5. 3, 8, 5. And look, we have a 3 and an 8 in this column. Well, we have an 8 in this column, 8 in that column, yes. So the last column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Okay, so now we have an 8 there. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1, 2. The 3 is missing and the 5 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Okay. One of the missing number in the second row. We have here 2, 5. Yeah, I'm missing the 3 in the second row. So the 3 could be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 2. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 box left in the last column. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. On the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 9. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 5. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this row. 1. The 2 is missing. 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing 5. And the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9. 6 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Yes, the 5 is missing. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Because for a 3-star Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 17 minutes, so I'm very, very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. A 4-star Sudoku it will be. See you then. Bye-bye for now.